Hello everyone, I'm Fabi1 and today I'm gonna be unboxing my new laptop. I was needing a new one because I gave my older laptop to my mother to use it for browsing and this made me laptopless, I guess. So as you can probably see on the packaging, I have ordered a Lenovo. What model, you might wonder? Well, it's the Lenovo Legion Y540. Which I bought on Black Friday. Yes, there was Black Friday on my country. Now, excuse this here, there was some sensible data over here, so I had to peel this off. Now, let's see here. I like the design of the box. This blue and black colors combine really great together. Yeah, let's see what we have inside. Let me take this kitchen knife and start opening this box. Alright, so while I'm opening this, let me tell you a bit about the specs. So we have a Core i5 processor, 9300H to be specific. We have a RTX 2060 graphics card with 6 gigs of GDDR6 memory. Okay, let's see how we carefully peel this off. We have 8 gigs of RAM and an SSD, M.2 SSD with 512. Wait, is this a hinge? Probably this is a hinge with 512 gigs of storage capacity. Right, so this probably blocks the camera, so I'm gonna turn it this way. Let me get rid of the knife. Yeah, pretty good packaging, I guess, but everything seems to be tight in here. Let's see how we remove this. But yeah, this holds the laptop. Let me put this aside. This is still heavy. There's stuff probably here. Yeah, I really love the packaging. I'm curious about the design of the laptop. Now, I've seen it in pictures, but there's nothing like when you have it in your hands, you know. So let's see if we can pull this material up. Yeah, all right, nicely put together. Cool phone. Let me throw this away. All right, let's see how we get inside of here. Oh, I can see a bit of it. Nice, nice. Let's see what we have here. Oh, shite. Look at this. Like, at first glance, you don't even know this is a gaming laptop, you know? One of my boxes fell. Yeah, really slick design, all black, no red accents. Like, you can go with this at the university and no one will suspect that this is a really powerful machine. I think this is an LED design. Now, this doesn't have Windows installed, I guess, English. So I will make, I guess, a little tutorial about how to install Windows for the guys that need it. Let's try to open this up. Yeah, so we have another cloth over here protecting the display. Yeah, about the display, it's an IPS, 250 nits, 60 Hz. Like it's fine, 60 Hz. I don't mind 60 Hz on a laptop, even though some guys they just want to have like 120 or 144. For a laptop, 60 Hz is enough. Now let me rotate it so you can see the bezels. Like 3 of them are really thin. I love the thin bezels. This one is thicker. It says Legion here. This is probably the webcam, and that explains why this bezel is so thick over here. Yeah, slim, very modern looking, no red gaming accents, even though I do like that design. It doesn't bother me at all. I actually do love RGB, but yeah, I like this laptop. The design is pretty awesome, pretty cool. Now let's check some of the inputs and outputs. This hinge design is quite amazing. Now I love this stuff. All the hot air, it's spitted out on the back, so and a little bit on the sides over here. So we have some USB. We have USB Type C, HDMI, mini HDMI, the internet port, I guess. I don't know what's called. I don't recognize this one. I'll have to look, do some research on it. And on this side we have another USB and headphone jack. Maybe this one is the charge. Yeah, this one is for the power brick. Speaking of it, let's see what we have in the big box. Let me carefully take this apart. We have some guides, a cord, and the power brick. Now this is a pretty sizable power brick, but yeah, 230 watts. Yeah, pretty slick, all black. Doesn't say. It would have been cool to say Lenovo or Legion right here. So let's see if we have anything else here. Whoops. No, that was all of it. So I'm really looking forward to using this laptop. I guess next I'm gonna be installing Windows and some applications, some games. I'm gonna have a feel about the laptop, and I'll do another review after like a week or two of usage and let you know, guys, how it performs. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe for future content, and I'll see you next time. Bye.